Hello friends, today is Magical Practice Day 6. Works like magic. How is it that a person staying in total poverty, having no education and no support, goes on to become the president of a country or a celebrity? And when two people start a same career, one goes on to reach the highest level in the organization and one is still where he has started. So what is the difference? The difference is the key to success is gratitude. The more you have gratitude, the more you will have success in your life. Whoever has gratitude will be given more and he or she will have an abundance. Whoever does not have gratitude, even what he or she has will be taken away from him or her. Even if you don't like your job, but if you're totally grateful for the work which you have in hand, you will be receiving much more. It is a law of attraction which says whatever you give, receive the same thing back. So it's better to give more to your work. Deliver more than you can so that you can receive whatever you have in return. The amount of money, appreciation, brilliant ideas, and everything will come to you in many folds. Suppose you are a business owner, and if you have gratitude for your work, for your employees, for your customers, your business will expand. But the time you start worrying about the business, it spirals downwards. Same thing if you are a parent and your work is to take care of your child. But if you have gratitude in that work, then everything will come to you in a pleasant way, because gratitude starts working as you feel grateful for all the work you are doing. You will be receiving more support, more help, more beautiful moments at your home. Today, when you start your day, imagine you have an invisible manager with you who note down everything what you think at your work. So, when you at your workplace, start being grateful for all the things which you can collect and say, I am grateful first of all for the job which I have, because there are so many people who are unemployed and who will be doing anything to get the job which you have right now. So be thankful. Can also be grateful for all the equipments which you are using, which makes your life easier at work, like the printer, the phones, the internet, the computers. You can say, I'm grateful for all the people who assist me in my work, like the receptionist, the janitors, the delivery man, the housekeeping staff, and I am grateful for all the people who I have friendship at my workplace. I am grateful for the paycheck which I receive every month. So, as you keep on feeling gratitude more and more, that invisible manager will be busy doing overtime, writing your all the grateful activities. So, whenever you start being grateful, you go on getting more and more in life. Just do this and practice it from tomorrow. But as soon as you wake up, don't remember. You please remember the first day magic. Count your blessings. You have to just write down your 10 blessings and say why you're grateful for it. And as you read each sentence, at the end of it, you have to say thank you, thank you, thank you. Yes, Kavita, it's really true. And believe me, it works. Then, as you just wind up your day, don't remember the day to practice the magic rock. Just hold the magic rock in your hand, or you can just close your fingers and think of the best thing that has happened today and say thankful. As you feel thankful from the bottom of your heart, you'll be getting more and more things coming into your life, and everything will be like magic. Lucky breaks don't happen as an accident. It is only the magical gratitude power which is working up. So, for being a calm listener and also Kavita, thank you, thank you, thank you.